Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us present the outcome of our research in security to SCADA. We have published this research in the title Smooth Tree based on autoencoder multistage detection for man-in-the-middle in SCADA to Indonesian Journal of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. We have 4 authors for these articles. My name is Preska Rolansa and my supervisor are Jaji Eko Istianto, Afia Hayati, and Aupaklav Datu Kusuma Rizky. Well, the background of this study are, firstly, SCADA is connected to the internet, which has increased the number of security incidents against the critical infrastructure. Then, SCADA has also additional vulnerability related to the component in SCADA, such as cyber attacks related to physical components. Third, the increasing number of incidents caused by attackers can result in physical damage and even loss of life. And attacks types are changing quickly. One of the attacks is a man-in-the-middle attack, represent a significant threat to SCADA networks. So our research focus to MITM or man-in-the-middle attack in SCADA. Author control modification or injection can disrupt industrial operation. And other problem is research related to the anomaly detection has been carried, but often good result. But it is necessary other research for handling multi-class classification, especially for man-in-the-middle attack detection. So there is a gap in the existing research on multi-class classification. And the last but not least, development model detection can be biased because the number of minority classification errors remains high. In the existing dataset, the number of normal data is much larger than the number of attacks, so the model is difficult to learn and perform detection, especially determining the classification of attack. Okay, we go to next slide. Methods. There are 4 main stages of the proposed STEM model. Each stage must be sequence execution. The first stage is pre-processing stage, and the second is balancing stage. Third is autoencoder, and the last stage is tree classification. Next, we can describe each stage. Pre-processing stage. Process in industrial control often perform multiple requests and responses in carrying out their operation. Therefore, pre-processing is needed to remove redundant data. And the next process is encoding. There are 2 types of data in general, namely number and categorical data, so that model can be made. Categorical data must be converted into numbers. This technique is known as encoding. Encoding in this experiment is done in two ways, using one hot encoder and label encoder. Then, to adjust the rank of each feature, normalization is performed. For normalization data, we use standard scalar. Next, we continue. The next stage is balancing stage. For handling imbalanced data, we are using balancing stage. In generally, there are two techniques, namely oversampling and undersampling. Oversampling works by replicating sample from minority class so that the number of minority class will increase like the number of majority class, while undersampling works by removing sample from majority class. Besides oversampling and undersampling, there are other techniques such as hybrid learning, ensemble learning, and even deep learning. In this research, the smart method is used, which is based on oversampling by synthesis a new example from the minority class. The result of smooth can be seen in the graph, where the distribution of the number minority class will be equal to the number of majority class. Next stage is autoencoder stage. Autoencoder is an encoder and decoder to encode input data to essential feature for adjusting the variation of data before dimension reduction. We developed two architectures for the model, namely for anomaly detection and multi-class classification. And for the best result, we designed different architecture for number of dense in encoder and decoder, epoch, batch size, optimizer, and activation function for each layer and output. Then the next step is the tree classification stage. Before we determine the algorithm we selected, we conduct experiment based on the characteristic of dataset used. The selection of classification algorithm is based on the result of experimental work on several classifiers, namely decision tree, k-nearest neighbor, support vector machine, logistic regression, and the last is random forest. Random forest and decision tree get the best accuracy, but random forest algorithm have difficult to interpreting data, which is more ambiguous for the classification process. So we choose decision tree for purpose model. After that, we use hyperparameter optimization for decision tree using grid search and randomized search. After hyperparameter tuning with randomized search, we get 8 maximum diff of 3, 2 for minimum number of sample to split, and 4 minimum number to leave node. While grid search, we get 8 maximum diff of 3, 2 for minimum number of sample to split, and 3 minimum number to leave node. After compare the result, we using hyperparameter with grid search. For this stage, we create the pseudocode of tree detection with hyperparameter optimization. Okay, the next slide we will discuss about testbed and dataset. For testbed, we use the liquid handling system. Is an industrial control system testbed applied to the beverage industry and ensure high quality product or safe for consumption. The liquid handling system utilizing VLC controller has a 3-axis X, Y, and Z and movement using a stepper motor drive. For our process and storage, we also use Dell PowerEdge servers. And then dataset. For this research, we use Electra dataset. Electra dataset have more than 60 million records of network traffic in the Modbus protocol. Electra dataset consists of 10 features and 1 label for attack class. The features are time, source MAC address, destination MAC address, source IP address, destination IP address, request, function code, error, memory address, and data. And for the label, there are 8 classes under normal condition, normal class, and MITM unaltered class, and the under attack condition, recognition attack, read attack, write attack, response, force attack, and replay attack. And for the performance model, the table display the result of anomaly detection and multi-class classification. In anomaly detection, the model has a perfect accuracy value, while in multi-class classification, the accuracy is 0.99. Confusion metric. In confusion metric, in anomaly, we can see perfect classification result, while in multi-class, still misclassification for some type attack, especially minority attack class. For example, replay attack in actual class is predicted as read attack. And the comparison of analysis. The proposed model and the model that use a combination of T-Lynx and XGBoost have optimal performance, and they are best than other model. As for the multi-class classification, our proposed model is better on the detection rate and F1 score parameter with a value 99.37. And then for evaluation for unbalanced data, we use a precision recall curve, and from the feature, the results show nearly perfect classification result for multi-class classification. And for comparison of misclassification, the proposed model show improved classification performance for handling imbalance against replay attacks with only one misclassification compared to the other model, which had 9 misclassification. And the second, STEM model only mispredict 119 read attack compared to 6,858. And for the future work, there are two future work we can develop with other type attack such as botnet attack, DDoS, or zero-day attack. And the second, other industrial communication protocol such as Ethercat, Profinet, and so on. And for the conclusion, we can conclude our proposed model have a nearly perfect classification with highest detection rate and F1 score for anomaly detection and multi-class classification. And the STEM model have fewer misclassification for the minority attack classes, especially for read and replay attack. I think enough. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.